Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We are in our second week of January, and we're continuing with the wonderful topics that we started last week. Victoria, what do you want to tease us with for this Monday Compass?
Well, remember, last week we walked through the 5 C's of a character-driven story. So this week we're going to continue that journey, only this time we're going to focus on the opposite kind of story, which is conflict-driven. So by the time we get done with this month, you'll have a nice balanced look at both drivers and how to employ those in order to move your story forward. So come back tomorrow because we're going to get all conflicted.
Oh, I can't wait, Victoria. Well, we're working with the character trait of obedience this month, and we're discovering that it's a little bit deeper than the word might imply. We have gone way past the because I said so, that's why, Billy, to to a much deeper understanding of what obedience means. And this week, we're going to take it through all the positions on the character profile diagram and talk about how a character can make a character arc through obedience. So come on back tomorrow. You'll want to be here for our Tuesday map. See you then. Bye bye.